everyone, this is Manali. Welcome to my channel, Miss Curl. Okay, so in my previous video, I did a small haul from Nykaa. In that haul, I showed you one product which was from Plum, and that was its deodorizing pit cream. It's been a week or two I have been using that pit cream, and I have some reviews about that. So in this video, I will share those reviews with you. Also, I will talk about the ingredient list. Also, I will talk about the fragrance of that pit cream. Also, we will discuss, that's my baby. Also, we will discuss about the difference between deodorizer and the antiperspirant. Okay, so let's go. So the cream comes in this kind of packaging. I have the variant Hawaiian Rumba, and this is a very cute packaging. As you can see, I really like the colors on this. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, and this is how the container look like. This is a plastic container, which is one minus point. I think they could have easily used the glass container, which we can use afterwards to store anything, but they have used the plastic container. That's okay. And now let's open this. Okay, this cream comes with this little cute spatula, and this is how the cream looks like. The cream is in the balm kind of form. It is very thick cream. We just have to take a little amount on the spatula like this and put it on the skin. When it comes in contact with the warmth of our skin, it just melts in the skin like so. It hardly takes 2 to 5 seconds like this. See, no residue at all, no white residue. It just melts in the skin. So it is very convenient to use with a spatula because the cream is really nice. It just melts in the skin, and it doesn't leave any white residue on the skin. So it's really nice. Let's talk about fragrance. It's a really nice fragrance. It easily lasts for like 4 to 5 hours. And when I talk about what kind of fragrance it smells like summery, beachy. It is a summery, beachy fragrance and little bit fruity, little bit flowery. It's really nice fragrance. And these pit creams come in 2 variants. One is Hawaiian Rumba and another is a vanilla fragrance. I'm not a biggest fan of vanilla fragrance, so that's why I bought the Hawaiian Rumba. But if you like the vanilla fragrance, you can go for that, because in the winters vanilla is really nice. It is a warm fragrance, and Hawaiian Rumba maybe can be a summery fragrance, but I like this one. So this is how the container and the cream is. Okay, now let's talk about the most important topic, which is the ingredients. The most important part is it is 100% vegan and it's cruelty free. So if you're someone who is looking for vegan and cruelty free products, you can go for this one. It's really nice. And when I come to ingredients, it mentioned in the packaging that it doesn't have any aluminium and any baking soda. So what is the benefit of not having baking soda and aluminium in your product? Let's talk about that. Okay, so for that we have to first see the difference between antiperspirant and a deodorizer. Okay, antiperspirant is something that contains baking soda and aluminium, and deodorizer doesn't contain any baking soda. Okay, so why antiperspirant contains baking soda? Baking soda have the property of blocking of our sweat. Okay, and deodorizer doesn't contain baking soda. That means it doesn't block our sweat. Okay, so here comes the question: do we really need to block our sweat? The answer is no. We don't need to block our sweat. Our body need to sweat. It is good for our body. It is good for our skin. Okay, when we sweat, our body cools down. It maintains the temperature. And why it is good for skin? Because when we sweat, the pores of our skin gets open. Now our skin can breathe happily. Okay, we are already covering our mouth. We don't have to cover our pores. Okay, so our pores need to breathe, and for that we need to sweat. Okay, so that's why we don't need any antiperspirants in our life. We need deodorizer to maintain the fragrance, to maintain the odor of the body. Okay, because no one want to smell bad. Okay, so that's why we really need deodorizer in our life. We don't need any antiperspirant. So this is not an antiperspirant. It doesn't contain aluminium. It doesn't contain baking soda. So there is a very debatable question about if aluminium really cause breast cancer. Honestly, I have no idea about that. But let's take the precaution. Let's not use aluminium. So that's a simple solution, right? Now let's talk about the ingredients. Honestly, there are so many ingredients on the ingredient list, but when I searched on the Google, the most of the ingredients in this ingredient list are mostly absorbers. I mean, they absorb the sweat and it doesn't block the sweat, it absorbs the sweat. So many products, so many ingredients are like moisturizers, skin moisturizers. They are used as a skin conditioner. These ingredients are mostly used in so many cosmetic products. There are some also there are some preservatives in this product. We really need preservatives in our cosmetic product, otherwise our cosmetic products will go bad really fast. And now that we are purchasing really costly cosmetic products nowadays, we don't want our cosmetic products to go bad really soon, and otherwise the product will grow some bacteria in it, and we really don't want that. So we do need preservatives in our products. So this product also contains some preservatives, and of course it contains some fragrance, because this is a deodorizer. We need fragrance in this. It also contains green tea extract. So these are basically all the products they have in the cream, and whatever product they have mentioned on the packaging, I have googled those products. They are basically preservatives, skin conditioners, and sweat absorbers and something like that. So I don't think there are any harmful product in this pit cream. So I think it's really good. And yes, I bought this pit cream for like the MRP mentioned here is 345, and I don't remember at how much price I have purchased it. I will put it down somewhere here. So my overall review about this pit cream is that it's really nice. If you want to buy something that won't block your sweat, but that will help to reduce your odor, you can definitely go for this. And the most important part is it doesn't block the fragrance of any perfume you are wearing. I mean, if you are wearing any perfume, you will smell of that you will smell that perfume only, you won't smell this one. Okay, so this is the very good part I think about this pit cream, is that if I'm wearing any another perfume on my body throughout the day, I can smell that perfume. I couldn't smell this the deodorizer, but if I'm only wearing this deodorizer, then I can smell this deodorizer. So this is the really good part I think about this product. Okay, my baby is playing with this toy. Okay, so I think this is my review about this pit cream. You can definitely buy this. It's worth the money and it's really nice. Okay, so this is it for the video. If you really like this video and you think this video was helpful for you, please share it with your friends, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, also comment, also click that bell icon. Okay, till then, see you soon. Bye.